So let's talk about control flow. Control flow. Control flow is divided into two parts. One is conditional and the other is loops. So conditional are if, else, if, else, and switch. Loops are for while and do while. So before we begin, we need to declare some variables. String name int age is equal to 40. So let's say if we are trying to check the string name, if is equal to this, so if name is equals to with lowercase, so that means it's not the same, so we just print out if you put lowercase, it will print out nothing, because lowercase l is not the same as uppercase L, so we'll never know. Okay, so let's say else. So now our condition is not true. Let's say age is less than 40. You are young. So if age is not, if age is less than 40, just print out this word, you are young. Else you are not 40. So in this condition, in the if condition, we are trying to find if the string L is the string locale is equal to that, which is not at this time, so that means this condition is not true. We'll skip over that. We'll come to second condition, else if age is 40, so it's less than 40, but our age is 40, so that means this condition is also false. So we come to this, so it will print out this one. Yes. So switch. Oh, let's say spring month, every day. switch day. So switch have cases. So case Monday. So um, so we say then we need to break stop the loop. So if there's nothing in this loop, if this loop is checked and there's nothing or there's something in it, break ends it. So then the loop can go to the next type, to the next case. In this case Tuesday. You know where this is going. I'll just fill them up and come back here. And there's the default. So the last one is the default. If you don't have break, it will check, like for instance when we don't have break here, it will check this and escape to this. Whether this is true or not, it will check it then before it, and then come to this one. But if you have break, break will stop it there. So it will jump out of the loop, out of the case, then check the other cases. So in this situation it will print Saturday. Printed Tuesday. So oh yeah, because we didn't change these values. So I should print Saturday. Yes, Saturday. So now let's look into for loop. So the for loop have initialization, condition, and increment. So this is int I is equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Should print from 0 to 4. Yep, 0 to 4. If you want to include 5, you would say less than or equals to. But in this case, that's just enough. Mm. While for while you need to initialize outside, like int j equals 0. Then you put the condition j let's say 5 5 5. Then you need to increment it now. Yeah. So it's there. So do while. So for do, it will always run at least once. So then it comes to check the condition, then it loops on from there. Yes.